Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to add correct answers in Google Forms. This is perfect for creating quizzes that are graded automatically. Let's get started. On the Google Forms dashboard, we can use the Start view or click the plus sign to create a new form. Let's create a question. We'll type, "What is the center of the solar system?" For the answer choices, we can add options like moon, sun, and stars. Once we've added all the choices, we need to click the answer key. Here, we select the correct answer, in this case, sun, and set how many points to award. For example, 1 point. When we're done, we click Done. Now our question has an answer key. Google Forms will automatically check responses, saving us time.